LFWD Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing Lifeward stock, Lifeward Ltd Limited, 15% up. I want to take a high time frame look at this, right? Just gonna keep an idea, kind of have an idea on this, how it's moved and whatnot. I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course dimensions, documented everything. And now with LFWD, yeah, I'm seeing some proper breaks, man. Like, oof, that's cool. It's cool. I'm just gonna mark out these highs right here. And now, if I see the price, it doesn't even have to come back like exactly inside this demand area, but I'm very open to this bullish idea. Therefore, if I at least see like a proper shift and then a double break, then and only then I'll keep buying, you know. So that's how LFWD looks like. Am I dyslexic or what? But no, yeah, I'm just joking. It's only my opinion, of course, not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading, you know, simple only way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.